Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary with an unboxing for the newest Allure Beauty Box. This is the box for October. Bear in mind, if you're looking at this, that the price has increased. I think they might still be giving some kind of a deal if you subscribe for a year, but I'm not positive. They certainly could have used a smaller box because when I look inside, I don't see anything overly large. But anyway, let's get inside this box. So, they still have the leaflet in there that tells everything that's in there. And this is what I see when I open up. There are pretty good sized samples in here with the exception of the foil packs, which I prefer not to ever get, but they'll go in a giveaway. Or when I trade something, when I'm active in trade again. I can't be until after I'm weight bearing and normal, so it's going to be a while. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start pulling things out. This is the nail polish. I currently don't really have the facility to be able to do my nails unless I put on press-ons or stick-on nails, but this is the perfect color for me. It's like kind of, it's not showing up very well. It's kind of like a ballet slipper color. But anyways, from Static Nails, I think this goes for $16. So that is, I'm not usually very happy about getting a nail polish as one of my full-size items. There are 3 full-size in here, and this is one of them. Okay, so the next thing is this Verso Super Eye Serum with retinol. This is like really heavy. Let's see, it's 0.67 fluid ounces. I'll start using this right away. I do have a couple of eye creams, but I am interested in trying this Verso, which is like really, it's a retinol. I think it also has vitamin C, maybe, but I'll be able to tell you about that when I get the book out. Let's do away with these first. Oh, good. The Hydrating Eye Gels. I forgot about those. I will do them tonight. Anyway, this is Native Fig Pure Mix by Rusk. I did not know Rusk was officially cruelty-free, but I guess they are. So that's good because I like the deep conditioners. But anyway, this is a shampoo and conditioner. I currently can't stand up to wash my hair, so I've been using dry shampoo. Luckily, I don't have very oily hair, but anyway, I don't know. This is not enough for my hair. I usually need a lot more conditioner than comes in these packets, so I'll probably put this, either give it to my daughter or put it in a trade in the future. I do like getting, here we go, the eye gels. These are pretty nice, the Wilma Schumann. They're actually pretty nice. Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. They stick pretty nicely. They're not like paper-based. They're actually like goo-based. So anyway, these will be really nice. I'll probably use these tonight. I'll tell you, being stuck non-weight bearing and using my husband's wheelchair, and not being able to go upstairs is really, like, I really wanted to do a face mask, but if I tell my son, can you go get me a face mask, he'll come back with the literal face mask. So anyway, he won't know what to get. So I'll enjoy using these. I, in general, really love using iPads because they, give you that temporary smooth appearance that you just can't be beat. So anyway, they're not my favorite, but these are good ones. I've used these before. Okay, and then there is the Sigma lipstick, liquid lipstick, in the color, let's see, Venom. I've seen people test this out online, and so I'm going to give it a try because even though it's like pretty red looking, I am actually going to give this a try. So this won't be going into a trade. It's a nice little size. I'll try to open the 2 boxes I have, 3 boxes that I have to show you stuff when we get done. Okay, this is a really good size Ceramidin by Dr. Jart. I usually get way smaller tubes when I get samples of this. Let's see if it says how many. Yeah, let's see. There it is, 10 ml, 0.33 ounces. That's actually a pretty good size. And I'm using all these travel size things that I have since I'm trapped and I can't go upstairs and use my usual stuff. So then there is this La Roche-Posay Lipicar Balm Intensive Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is, I'm sure it's a small tube, but it's 15 ml, 0.5 fluid ounces. This is kind of a very affordable brand. Here's what the full size looks like on the side. It looks like it might be like body cream rather than face cream. Yeah, it actually says appropriate for body and face and for extra dry, sensitive skin. I have that with my arms. As I've gotten older, my arm skin is not as resilient. It scratches easier, and so anyway, this will be good, and I will be using that up. At some point, I'm going to show you guys all the stuff I've been using since I've been trapped down here. Okay, and this is the most expensive thing, and it is Tropical C. It's a vitamin C granules, and according to this, it says 2 to 3 shakes, so I don't know what kind of opening it has. So we'll look at that when I open everything. So that is everything from this box, which is actually a pretty good box. So I'm going to go ahead and open everything that is in a box, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took everything out of the boxes, and I am surprised. First, I want to say I'm very surprised by these sample sizes, which are like really big. I've gotten these things before in teeny tiny tubes. The Ceramidin is like a half an ounce almost, and I've never gotten a tube this big, so I don't know whether I'm going to start using this yet. I might have to do a little bit of research and see. The book does give information, so I'll put the prices for things down below if I can figure them out. But anyway, this is also a sample, but this is a half an ounce, and so I've gotten lots of this Lipicar balm, but in tiny tubes, and so that's why I'm really surprised by the sample sizes. Of course, here's the nail polish, and that's a beautiful color, especially for fall. And then there's the eye cream. This is not a sample. This is full size, and I think it runs pretty high. I'll put the price down below, but right here in the film when I do my editing. But yeah, I'm going to start using this right away. This is really full, so I don't know how you could ever use this much eye cream in your entire life. It's, let's see, 0.67 ounces. Like, that's almost a full, like, it's 2/3 of an ounce. Let me be realistic. So, yeah, it's massive, and I only use a little dot of eye cream at a time, so yeah. Again, I'm very happy to have the eye gels, which I'll use tonight, because I've been dying to mask. The lipstick, it looks darker in person than it does on film, but I've watched people try it, and it looks really nice on them, so I'm going to assume that this will look nice on me. Maybe, maybe not, but I'm going to give it a try. That won't be going into trade. And this item obviously won't be going into trade. This is the vitamin C granules. Again, I'll put the price right down below, but this, see, that's what the opening is like. It's filled all the way, literally all the way to the top. So you shake it 2 to 3 shakes, into your palm, and it says on the back here 2 to 3. One thing to be conscious about is if you put too much vitamin C on your skin, you'll actually burn it. So you have to be very careful, very judicious with this stuff. So I'll start with 1 shake into one of the creams that I've been using, and we'll see how that goes. So that came in that box. So yeah, this is like surprisingly a super nice box. I expected to not like it. When I saw the spoilers, I was like, I don't know. But now that I have it here in person, I'm pretty impressed with it. It's good. I got my box, so I was able to record something for you guys in spite of being trapped here in the downstairs family room. So I'm really glad that I was able to record something for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.